Good afternoon, dear students. In the last class, we discussed about quadratic equations and we completed that chapter. Okay, fine. So, in the algebra, we have so many other concepts too. So, today we'll discuss about one of the new concept. So, what is that new concept? Okay, so before going for that concept, so just we recall that what and all we know in algebra. Okay. So do you have any idea about the word term? Yes, of course, definitely you have the idea. Why? Because you studying this about the terms from in the grade 8. You studied in the grade 8 and also in the grade 9th also. So what is this term? A term is either a single number or variable or the product of several numbers or variables. Terms are separated by a plus or minus sign in the overall expression. Okay, in this definition you may get little confusion, so we'll go for example. It will make you more clear. So the definition says that a term is either a single number, yes, it may be a single number, or it may be only a variable, or the product of several numbers or variable. So this product of several numbers or variable. So the terms, these are the nothing but the example of different terms. Okay, these are nothing but different terms. So these terms are separated either by negative symbol or by positive symbol. It is separated by positive or negative symbol. The terms are separated by a positive or negative signs in a overall expressions. So these are all the several examples of terms. Even here also they also given 3 plus 4x plus 5 plus y plus 5y z w, and this is one of the example for 3, and if 4x is one of the example, or 5x y z w are one of the example of the terms. I hope all of you understood what do you mean by terms. A terms is an either a single term, single number, or a variable, or a combination of both number and variables. So these are all the examples of terms. I hope you understood. Okay, I hope all of you understood what do you mean by the term. Now we'll try to understand what is the meaning of this polynomial. Okay, so as you seen this, so here the polynomial is of two colors. One is blue and one is red. Okay, why I wrote like this? Because here we have two terms. So that is poly one and one more is nomial. So what do you mean by poly? So poly in the sense many, and nomials in the sense terms. So an algebraic expressions having single term or more than one term is called as polynomials. There are different types of polynomial. A polynomial may be a one term or two term or three term or greater number of terms or higher number of terms. So but all these terms, all this come under the category of or group of polynomials. So they given the special name for this. An algebraic expression with a one term is known as monomial. An algebraic expression with a two term is known as binomial. An algebraic expression with three terms is known as trinomial. So and many of them confuse it and misunderstand that. So a polynomial with four terms or greater than three terms is known as polynomials. No, actually an algebraic expression greater than three terms is known as polynomials. Actually it is wrong. So that misconception. So algebraic expression with a greater than three terms is known as polynomial is wrong. So even a algebraic expression with single term is a polynomial. Two terms is also come under the polynomial. Three terms is also polynomial, and more than three terms also polynomial. So let's see some of the examples of monomial, binomial, trinomial. So here we have a few examples of monomial, binomial, trinomial. So mono in the sense single term. So 1, 2, x. So all these are single terms. So here we have two terms. So x plus 2, x cube, y plus 3, 4x power 4, y plus 3, 3x square plus y. These are the two terms. Binomial. Trinomial, we have three terms. So x square is one term, 2x is one term, and 3 is one term. So here in the second example, 4x square is one term, 6x is one term, and 7 is one term. And in third example, 3x square is one term, 2x is one term, and 3 is one term. And we have more than 3 also, that higher number of terms. So here we have 4 terms here. Even we can add some more terms too. Okay, so this are all the different types of polynomial. Monomial, binomial, trinomial are higher than that. So the next concept in the polynomials is degree of polynomial. What do you mean by the degree of polynomial? The highest exponential power of the variable in a polynomial is called the degree of polynomial. What is that? The highest exponential power of the variable in a polynomial is called the degree of polynomial. So here this is a polynomial, 3x to the power of 7 minus 4x to the power of 6 plus x plus 9. Here this is a polynomial. In this polynomial, what is the highest exponential power? Yes, the highest exponential power is 3x to the power of 7. Why? Because 7 is the highest exponential power. This is 6. So here nothing is there, it's 1. So here it is 0. So therefore the highest exponential power is 7. So therefore, so degree of this polynomial is degree of this polynomial is 7. Degree of this polynomial is 7. Okay, what about in this case? So here also the degree of this polynomial is, what is the highest exponential power? Is it 2, 3 or 8? Yes, of course it is 8. So highest exponential power is 8. And what about in this case? X power 5 minus x power 5 minus x power 4 plus 3. What is the highest degree of exponent? It is nothing but 5, right? So therefore the degree of this polynomial is 5. I hope you understood. Yes. So based on this degree, polynomials are categorized as linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, and biquadratic polynomial. So what is that? Let's have a look on that. So here the polynomials are linear polynomials. So based on the degree it is classified. So what is linear polynomial? A polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. Here these are the example: 2x minus 3, or square root of 3 plus 3x plus 5, or y plus root 2. All these are all the examples of linear polynomials. And next is quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. So here the degree 2, the highest power of this polynomial is 2. So therefore it is a quadratic polynomial. And next is cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial in the sense, a polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. So here the highest degree in this example, highest degree x cube plus 2x square minus 2x plus 1. In this the highest degree is 3. So it is a cubic polynomial. And here also 3x cube plus 4x square minus 9x plus 2. Here also the highest degree is 3. So it is called as cubic polynomial. So some more concept we'll learn in next class about the polynomials. Okay, thank you.